Uno is a fun game for 2 to 10 players. You can make your own Uno cards with some basic supplies. This is a good project to do with your kids. Let's get started. For this project, you'll need index cards, a pen or sharpie, 4 crayons, red, green, blue, and yellow. If cards are too big, they can be difficult to hold and play, especially for kids. The index cards I have are 3 inch by 5 inch, so I'll cut them in half. You need a total of 108 cards, so I'm going to cut 54 of these to get my 108 cards. It is now time to color the cards. You need 25 each of red, green, blue, and yellow. You can get the kids to help with this part. The next step is to prepare the number cards. As I previously mentioned, if you have a Sharpie, use that. Write the number in a large font in the center and in small fonts at the top and bottom corners. Create one card for 0 and 2 each for the numbers 1 through 9. For the 6 and 9 cards, draw an underline to avoid confusion. Repeat the step for each of the 4 colors. The next step is to prepare the colored special cards. You need 2 each of skip a turn, reverse play, and +2. For the skip a turn cards, just draw a 0 with a line in the middle. For reverse play, draw 2 arrows pointing in the opposite direction. For the +2 cards, draw 2 squares and write a +2 on the corners. Repeat this step for all 4 colors. We are now done with all the colored cards. The next step is to create the wild cards. There are 2 types of wild cards, 4 of each. For the regular wild cards, draw an oval and divide in 4 sections. Color each section a different color. For the +4 cards, draw 4 squares, color each one with a different color, and write +4 on the corner. You are all done. Time to shuffle your cards and play. Thanks for watching.